Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olive Kirote and this is Olive Kirote Rebranded. I'm here guys with an interesting video, and first things first guys, if you are an avid cryptocurrency student of ONR or you're a cryptocurrency enthusiast because of ONR, then you know that I teach you guys as much as I can on things to do with buying and selling your cryptocurrency in Kenya. How to buy your cryptos from Local Bitcoins. So what is Local Bitcoins? Local Bitcoins is actually one of the earliest slash oldest exchange platforms. It was founded in 2012 in Finland, Helsinki. They launched an app. Okay, they launched an app and much easier, much seamless, more so on the go for people who'd like to buy cryptocurrency faster and easier on their phones. The main purpose of this video is to get you guys to check out the app. So I'm not going to be showing you guys from my desktop because I also got the app. So I want you guys to see how the app is and how the app works, and if you like it, because I know you will download it. They have the app on both iOS and Google Play, so you can either get it for your Android or your iPhone. Let's get onto my phone. I want to check the app. I want to see what it offers. I want to see how easy and seamless it is. We're going to download it together. I'm personally using my Android phone for this video, so I'm going to be downloading it from my Play Store, then set it up, put all the security measures, and then welcome to my Local Bitcoins account. This is how it looks like, and I want to walk you through the app so that you see all the offers and all the services it has. So the app is very seamless, very easy to use. I'd like you guys to definitely download it. So when you open your Local Bitcoins account, the middle section here has a big B, and that B, I believe, is for Bitcoin. And if you click, you will see it brings you here. So there's two options, where one, you can buy your crypto, and then the second option is where you can sell. Now we're going to go to the far left, and you'll see the far left is wallet. There is send. So if I'm to send cryptos out of my Local Bitcoins wallet, this is where I would paste the receiving address, and then there is receive. So this means if you are to send crypto to this wallet right on my screen, I would receive an amount. Okay, and you can see if you go back to send that there is an amount. I believe there is a maximum amount, and the transaction fee is 0.00006 BTC, whereas for receiving the transaction fee is 0 BTC. Then history. So history will show all the transactions of both sent and received from your wallet. Then the second part is dashboard. So the dashboard is where you can see the trades that you have. So you can have an open trade. So it's showing you here that I have no open trade either for buying or selling. I also do not have any closed trade for either buying or selling. And then ads will update itself soon. So that is the dashboard. Then you go to notifications. So notifications are definitely, as the word describes themselves, as the notifications you get. And you can see that currently I'm getting notifications for December period, Christmas, and all that. And finally is profile. So the profile has language, push notifications maybe. There is some serious notifications you don't want or want. You can verify your PIN here as well, biometric authentication if you'd like, and then the other column is help, where there is customer support, frequently asked questions, and all that. Again, we're not going to go back to the main part of profile, which is me. So the profile has settings which we've just gone through, and then there is me. So me is my name for local bitcoins is Crypto Queen Oli. You can see that my tier status is tier 1, and I can trade up to that amount, and you can upgrade your tier, so you can go up your tier. Second is my personal information, and then on profile as well you can see there's trade info. Again, this is a new account. You can see my trade volume is 0, number of confirmed trades is 0, seller escrow release times again 0. So the more I will use the local bitcoins app, the more that all these numbers are going to change, and that's what I want us to do together. Okay, so that is the profile section. Once you are done with the profile section, in case you are not Kenyan, for example, you are from another country, you'd want to buy your cryptos as well from local bitcoins, what you need to do is when you go to buy, right, and click filter, you're going to see location is here. So you can change your location dependent on where you are in Africa, and you can see many other people maybe in your neighborhood that are selling cryptocurrency. So as of the moment, I am in Malawi, and if I change my location to Malawi, it'll change the currency from Kenya shillings to Malawian kwacha. And once I do that, I can also specify a payment method, or just say, you know what, let me just see how many people are selling in Malawi. So if I'm in Malawi, these are the 3 people I can buy my cryptocurrency from. Okay, again, depending on the country that you're in, you come and do that. And once you do that, you can see for buying there are only 3 adverts, and for selling there is around 6 of them. 6 of them. So that is a hack as well. You don't have to just use local bitcoins if you're in Kenya only. So depending on the country that you're in, come to the countries section and search the country that you're in and see if you can buy cryptocurrency from your country. Okay, so guys, we are back on local bitcoins, and one of the few questions that I might get in the comment section is, Olive, does local bitcoins just sell Bitcoin? Yes and no. On the desktop, you can swap Bitcoin to other cryptocurrencies, but from the app itself, I am only seeing Bitcoin as an option. So yes and no. Okay, so now let's get into the video. We are going to be buying our cryptocurrency today, and these are the available traders. However, I'd like to show you guys something that can be of use to you. Okay, if you see, for example, Bikula or Prince Klo or Okiri and all these people, there is an amount that has been stated. That's the buying price of BTC. Okay, so if you're to buy BTC using your Kenya shillings and you wanted 1 full coin, that's how much you would pay. Second part is the M-Pesa option. That is how you're going to be paying them. And then the third column is there's an arrow showing 2, sort of like a range, and you can see the Bikula guy is from 0 to 57 Kenya shillings. From the Prince guy is 3,000 to 70,000 Kenya shillings. From Okiri, it's from 407 to 429, and so on and so forth. So that is the range that they are willing to allow you to buy from them. So it's basically them saying, I only have that amount, so please don't buy anything less than or anything more than that range. Then at the far right, you see a handshake of some sort. So the handshake is basically how many people they've traded with, and you can see Bikula has traded with 6 people, Prince has traded with 700 plus people, Okiri has traded with 2, Wazani has traded with 32, and it goes on. There are people you're going to find that they've traded with like 20,000, like a jumbo, meaning a jumbo has been on this space for quite a while. And the last place is the thumbs up. So the thumbs up is basically saying this person who they've traded with, they gave them 100% recommendation. So if you see it slightly less, maybe they had a hiccup with one of their clients and the person wasn't completely happy. Okay, so with that in mind, we are going to buy cryptocurrency today. However, I would tell you and advise you guys the handshakes should guide you into knowing who you should buy your cryptocurrency from. So, as much as Bigula maybe might be the cheapest, he only has 6 handshakes, or Okiji only has 2 handshakes. These are often people who are trying to sell their BTC, but instead of going to the sell column, they post a trade on their own so that they could be able to sell it on their own and make more money. Okay? So with that, we're going to look for someone with a good number of handshakes. Prince is one of the people with 600 handshakes. That's not bad. Okay, so Local Bitcoins has updated the column again. So we're going to find other traders. You can see Gitao has 150 handshakes, also not bad. Kush Beat Pro has 250 handshakes, not bad as well. But you can see his range is from 5,000 to 141,000. Let's buy from Future Crypto. So what you do, you click there and you're going to see we've opened sort of like a trade in some sort, and the price, payment method, the trade limit, location, and payment window. So I'm going to come and click buy. So I'm going to say I want to buy cryptos worth 3,000, and I'm going to do a preview buy. And then I'll just send him a message and be like, hi, I'd like to buy BTC worth 3K. So I send a trade request, put my PIN. Let's see if I can buy from someone who doesn't need me to be verified. Let's try buy from Gitao. So you can see here trade request sent, next pay the seller. Now you can pay the seller. The reference message must be included or the seller can't identify your payment. The bitcoins are held in escrow for 60 minutes, during which it is safe to pay. After paying, you need to mark payment complete by pressing the I have paid button, or trade will automatically cancel. Then I'll say, yes, I understand. The guy is really looking for feedback. So I think, guys, for you to be a successful trader on Local Bitcoin, feedback is essential for your growth. As you can see, I have paid, confirmed, and the whatever has been released. So you can see here, guys, closed trades. The first one, and let me guys give you some feedback. If your account has not reached a certain tier, the trader might not want to allow you to open a trade with them, and that's what happened with the Prince guy. He wanted you to trade if you're at a certain tier. And then Gitao, however, I didn't have that, so I was able to buy from him. So yeah, guys, if you want to buy your cryptos, please come. So I'm using my second account. In the video, I've showed you guys my other account, Crypto Queen Oli. And if you saw my tier, I was, I think, on tier 1. Yeah, tier 1. However, I tried buying with that account and it said that my account is on holiday. I don't know why. So I had to open a new account called Crypto Kish, and that's the one I've used to show you guys how to buy. And however, unfortunately, I've not upgraded my tier. I feel like it's important. If you want to be able to buy cryptocurrency from many traders, please upgrade your tier. So you can see on this account, Crypto Kish, I can only trade 1,000 euros in the whole year. That's like 100k, if I'm not wrong, or more. And this one is very limiting. You cannot trade with many traders. Tier 1, however, is basically good enough because you can see your primary address, your occupation, and your ID. So this one is the best because almost all traders on local bitcoins have tier 1, like will accept a tier 1 like to trade with them. But if you do not upgrade your tier, like you stay in tier 0, most of the trades will not go through. So for me, I had to buy from a beginner trader. I had to risk and buy from a beginner trader because my Crypto Queen Oli account was on holiday. So yeah, so that's something I'd like to tell you guys. And as you grow, upgrade now to tier 2 and tier 3. So they all have different requirements, but yeah. And you can see that I have 0.0001 BTC. So that's like 1,000. It's not bad. It's not a lot, but for the purpose of the video, guys, I've showed you how to buy. So if I wanted to send this money out, I would put the receiving address here and I'd put the amount. But you can see even just to send out, the transaction is there. The transaction fee is there. So I would highly suggest you do not move a lot of, like, don't move BTC like you buy 1,000, move it, 1,000, move it. No, I would recommend you probably buy a lot. Then once it's like at a good amount, you can now send it out of the exchange and maybe store it in your wallet. But if you've bought small crypto, I would not advise you to keep transferring small crypto outside because it's not free. You're going to be charged, and BTC is not one of the cheapest places to play around with money. So yeah, again, if I was to receive any crypto, because this is a new account, like I've told you guys, you see, to deposit, I need to be at tier 1 verified. So I'll probably not verify this account, to be honest, because I want to understand why my other main account was forced on holiday and all, but I might just use it because it has some money. Yeah, I will link down below a few links from my fellow creators who we've partnered to talk about local bitcoins together. If you'd like more information, guys, definitely check the description box for more links. And other than that, I hope this video was useful. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for another video before January. Okay, otherwise, let me know down below what other things would you like to know about the Local Bitcoins app. Do you guys want us to sell? I do hope if you are planning to buy bitcoins on the go, you're going to choose Local Bitcoins as your number 1 app. Definitely just download their app into your phone. It's very easy, very seamless. I literally bought Bitcoin in less than 10 seconds, in my opinion, I think. Otherwise, guys, bye and have a lovely day wherever you are. Okay, bye guys, see you on the next one.